Is your iPhone camera showing a black screen, freezing, crashing, or simply not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to fix your iPhone camera. This solution works for most iPhone models, including the latest iPhones. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, open a settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down again and find Content and Privacy Restriction. Now tap Enable. Tap Allow Apps and Features. Camera should be enabled. If it's off, you had to enable it. Go back and find Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find Camera. Tap on it and enable all of them. After enable it, go back and tap General to software update. If iPhone is asking for a new latest update, update it. After updating your iPhone, restart it. Those are the best way to fix an iPhone camera that's not working. Start with the simple solution like restarting your iPhone and updating iOS before moving on to restarting settings. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.